So dealing with the right side as worn first. This is the side that has the button sewn onto it. So using your notches as guides, press over the first allowance. Check the notch at the top as well. Press that over once, and then again using your guide notches, press it over again.
Okay.
Okay, so now for the left side as worn, the side with the concealed buttonholes. Again, using your notches, you're going into your second notch in at the bottom and check and line it up so it's parallel all the way up at the top, and press that in. Okay, so the right side as worn, the side that the buttons will be sewn onto.
I'm going to come in close.
Yeah. So we're going to top stitch on the very edge just to catch it down. Here it's useful to use the inside edge of the foot as a guide. So to sew the left side as worn, which will be your concealed buttonhole side, just going to top stitch using the notch that's 2.2 in. You can put a pin line so that you do a parallel row of sewing all the way up. I put little chalk marks to guide me. And then just top stitch all the way up.
Into it.
Yeah.
And then if you flip it over.
On the buttonhole side, you need to mark your buttonholes. First buttonhole is 4.5 centimetres down from your seam allowance edge. All you need to do is just mark in the middle of the button stand. Just mark where the top of the first buttonhole starts. Then you can continue, as it says in the blog, all the way down, and you're just marking the very top of the buttonhole.
Okay.
So for the buttonhole machine is set up, but it's already got an automated buttonhole length for the size of the shirt button. So all you need to do is to turn the machine on and turn it off, you press this button here, and that's all you need to do. So for the first buttonhole, going to line up this marker with the dot that marks the top of the buttonhole.
I think we can see that.
Going to put the foot down, just check again, and it lines up. There. And then, as I say, the buttonhole sews automatically. You just press this to start it. And it stops automatically. Using the raw edge of the button stand there, you're going to press again. And again, using your notches as a guide. Press. And then using your top stitching row as a guide, press over your button stand. And the edge of the button stand should just sit no more than 2 millimeters inside the outer edge, so that it's completely concealed.
Yep, that's great.
And then we'll finally stitch down buttons, concealed button stand, just on the edge here. With a slightly see-through opaque fabric, it's easy to see where you need to sew to catch it down. Any other fabric that you can't see through, you should pin or mark.
That's good. Okay, and then also maybe the back.